Guys, the police are fucking beating up their own car right now. They're gonna probably blame it on the protesters. They're beating up their own car as we speak right now. Guys, they are beating up. Guys, they are fucking. Look at that shit.
Yeah, get on the car.
Look at that shit.
Bounce on the hood, motherfucker.
Look at that shit. The cops are breaking their own car, and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
Woo!
We are here. We are here in the name of peace. The cops are breaking their own car, and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
Exactly, right?
And they put fuck 12 on it. The police are committing a crime right now. They have dogs at the ready. The cops are breaking the window to their car. The cops are breaking the window to.
Yeah, spit on that car.
You get your anger out.
Oh yeah.
You pull a hammy on that one?
Give it another whack.
Put your back into it.
I think you got your shoulder that time.
The Red Sox.
The police, if you guys are just tuning in, the police have just damaged their own car, and they're gonna blame it on the police department. I need you guys to spread this message as far as you can. That guy's pissed right there. Be careful. They got mace. The cops, please spread this, dude. The cops have just damaged the car, and they're gonna blame it on the protesters.
With tear gas and pepper spray.
Dude, the cops just, the Boston police or mercenaries in police uniform or what have you, are breaking their car, and they're gonna blame it on the protesters. I'm not getting too close. These guys have mace, but they just broke.
Even these dogs don't want to fucking be here.
Love to see you keeping our community
Cops
safe.
just broke their own fucking car.